Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this quick demo, I'll walk you through how to install and use external MCP servers on Databricks and how you can quickly test them using AI Playground. First, we'll see what are MCP servers. The Model Context Protocol or MCP servers is an open source standard that connects AI agent to tools, resources, prompt, and other contextual information. Connect Databricks to external MCP server to give your agent access to a wider range of tools that are hosted outside of Databricks. External MCP servers are actually third-party MCP servers hosted outside of Databricks. And Databricks help the seamless integration by creating a Unity Catalog connection and a Databricks managed proxy endpoint. Let's see how to install the external MCP server on Databricks. So for that, we have various ways. So we have basically two ways. One is the definitely the code and Python SDK, but here we are going to use the easiest way to install the external MCP server from the Databricks Marketplace. For that, we have to go to the Databricks workspace, and from there you can go to the Marketplace. And in the Marketplace, if you just click on the Marketplace, you will see there are various product are available, and we can select the MCP one, and we'll see there are several external MCP servers are already registered, and some of them are free and some of them are definitely paid. So we'll choose or we'll select one free MCP server, the Tavily MCP server, which is a great tool for the web search, and we can get a lot of real-time insights from the web to our agent. You can see a couple of use cases which are listed here: real-time web search, content extractions. Even we can build a lot of financials insights, and you can generate a lot of real-time financial report, stock agent, stock assistant, and etc. So for that, here before installing this Tavily MCP server, we have to first create a API key. For that, we have to register, and we can create our free account, and we can create an API with the free account also, but there will be some limit. This particular free API key will be used as the bearer token for the authentications. So Databricks will have authentication mechanism as a bearer token, and which will be used in the connection which will be created in the next step. So once the API key is available in our Tavily search API web page, then we can come back here and we can just go and click on the install. It will install a particular connection in the Unity catalog. For that, I have to give it a name. So let me give it a name as Sarbani Tavily MCP search, then host. This is the base path, and bearer token, as I said, I've already created, and I'm getting it from the Tavily API page, and this is where the key is generated. I'll copy it, I'll come back, and I'll put it here as a bearer token, and because this is the credential method, and then I will select, apply, and install. Once this is installed, it will be available in the Unity catalog. As you see here, it's now available under this Unity catalog connection. So this connection is registered with the same name, Sarbani Tavily MCP, and here are the different parameters which are listed here. One important parameter is this, is MCP connection, which is set to true. That means it will be discoverable by the Unity catalog when we'll use it as a tool for a particular agent. We'll see that in the next step. Okay, let's move on. Okay, this is now generated, and once the connection is registered, I can use it as a tool, and this is already available in the Unity catalog as an external tool. We'll see that. For testing, we'll come back to the playground. Here, I'm going to select LLM model. Here I've selected the Claude Sonnet 4.5. I'm going to create another window, another playground where I have selected the same model. I'll be using that to compare without tooling option. Now I'm going to get a system prompt here. As you see, I have created a system prompt and a prompt. Here is the system prompt. Always search with all the criteria mentioned in the prompt, get the response by minimum number of search requests, and then I'm kind of giving some instruction that do not search repetitively and all. And then I have also created a prompt. So this is a very basic simple search prompt without any filter criteria, and I'm also searching with a basic filter criteria, that's the time, all the latest time. So I'm saying give the most recent three news article on GenAI published within the last 3 days, but I'm not going to put any other filter. Let's make it simple. And then I'll just copy those prompt and I'll put it here in the playground. Both the playgrounds are in sync, so I don't have to paste it again. Then you can see I'm putting the actual prompt, which is basically going to extract all the recent links on the GenAI articles. And then I'm going to press the submit button, and let's see what is going to be generated. So, okay. So as both the models are, both the agents are using the same model and there is no tool, both will generate the same answer. And I can see both the answers are generating all the old links. You can see all the links, article links are coming from December 2024 and all. So because model doesn't have access to any real-time search tool, so it's kind of generating everything from its generic knowledge, which has a cutoff. Uh, so now how to solve this problem? So here we are going to use our tool discovery process. As we see here, tools, add tools. And if I just come here, you'll see there are, it will take me to the add tool screen where I can see the managed MCP server, external MCP server and MCP server on Databricks app, which is called custom MCP server. All are available under the same bucket, but you have the flexibility to select any of the or all of them as a MCP server. Right now we are going to explore the external MCP server. So I will use this external MCP server option and I will try to list the tool what I have created. And this particular space is going to help me to discover all the external MCP servers which are listed or registered under the Unity catalog. So let's see how does it look like. So I'll go and search with my name. Okay, I can see all the external MCP server tools are available. I'm going to select the one what I just created, and then I will save. Now LLM is going to use this tool when it will search and it's trying to get the recent 3 news. On the other side, I'm not using any tool, the same screen. Okay, definitely on the right hand side, I'm going to get the same result as before. But on the left hand side, you can see the search tool is now picked up by the LLM and it's going to search the web with all the parameters what I have given as a selection criteria, max result and number of days and all. And on the left hand side, on the right hand side, as you see, these all are coming as old articles. But on the left hand side, you can see the output has been generated as all the new articles, and you can see the articles are selected from November 12, 2025. So definitely the search result has been improved a lot. It has picked up the latest month, but I need to fine tune a prompt bit to get the last 3 days publications or recent articles. So let's see if I can just put a final prompt here. Give me the links from last 3 days and hit the button again. Now I can ignore the right hand side because they are all old. On the left hand side, yes, now you can see the interesting result. All the links are coming from yesterday's publications, and you see it has given me 3 most recent news article on GenAI which are published in last 3 days. Actually, it got all the publications from the last day. So I'll just go and check the link. So these are all old one which is created from the right hand side. Now on the left hand side, if I go and see, this tool is now helping me to get the latest article. This is from November 24, 2025. Today's date is November 25, 2025. So it's, yeah, it's a yesterday's publications. Another one, let's check it. It's always better to check whatever is generated by the LLM. Okay, this is also good result. The last one, this is also GenAI related stuff, and also the criteria is matching with November 24, 2025. So that's great that LLM has got access to the real-time insights, and actually LLM is able to understand what are the recent publications based on its search criteria, and this is all possible because of the tool or external MCP server tool, which is used here from the Tably search website. And that's it from my side. So now, as a next step, I would request go and explore the external MCP server. You can build several new use cases, and you can bring all the real-time insight in your agentic app or agentic system. You can build real-time stock market analyst. You can build real-time news based podcast. You can create research agent which can have access to all the latest market research, and possibilities are endless. I'm happy to hear back from you, your feedback, your new user story. Connect me on LinkedIn, and please stay tuned with. I'll be coming back with more demos and live use cases. Thank you so much. Have a great day.